Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LG washer parts is probably one of the most essential components to keep your laundry routine running smoothly, ensuring your LG washing machine continues to perform at its peak efficiency and reliability, preventing costly repairs and extending the overall lifespan of your appliance, which is why choosing the right replacement parts is crucial for any homeowner looking to maintain their washing machine's optimal functionality and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Number 5. LG 4681EA 2001T Genuine OEM Drain Pump Assembly. This is a genuine OEM drain pump assembly, manufactured to exact specifications for your LG washing machine. This replacement part effectively removes water from your washer during the drain cycle, ensuring proper operation. With approximate measurements of L, 8xW, 5xH, 5, it's designed for an exact fit. Crafted with premium materials for durability, this high-quality assembly guarantees a long-lasting and exact fit. Be sure to follow the instructions in your owner's manual when installing this part for optimal performance. Choose genuine LG OEM factory parts for your appliances to ensure quality and reliability. Life's good. What we like. This is a genuine OEM drain pump assembly designed for LG washing machines. It's built with premium materials for durability and an exact fit, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly. If you're looking for a reliable replacement part that guarantees compatibility and longevity, this is the one to choose. What people say. The part was an exact fit for my LG washing machine, and it was easy to install. This replacement part fixed the clunking noise my LG washer was making, and it runs like new again. The quality of the material seems very durable, and I expect it to last a long time. Number 4. LG AGM 7361070 door magnet and spring holder. Ensure your appliance runs smoothly with this genuine LG replacement part. It's designed to perfectly fit various LG brand models. This is an OEM authorized part, guaranteeing the quality and compatibility you expect from LG. Trust in authentic components for reliable performance. This specific component is the door magnet and spring holder. It plays a crucial role in the proper functioning of your appliance's door. The official part number for this item is AGM 7361070. Using the correct part number ensures you receive the exact replacement needed. Engineered by LG, this part is made to the brand's high standards. It's the ideal choice for maintaining your LG appliance. What we like. This is an OEM authorized door magnet and spring holder, designed to fit various LG brand models. It's a crucial component for your washing machine's door mechanism. If your door isn't closing or latching properly, and you need a specific, authorized replacement part, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This part was a perfect fit for my LG washing machine, and it resolved the issue I was having with the drum not spinning. The installation was straightforward, and the part appears to be of good quality, functioning exactly as the original. Number 3. LG 4986ER0004F Washing Machine Door Boot Gasket. This is an original equipment manufacturer part designed for specific LG and Kenmore front-load washers. It ensures a watertight seal between your wash tub and the door, preventing any leaks during operation. This component is crucial for maintaining a proper seal. It effectively stops water from escaping the machine, keeping your laundry area dry and safe. This particular model includes a built-in drain port. This feature is important for proper water management within the washing machine system. Please note, if your 27-inch LG front-load washer was manufactured before September 2007, you may need a different part without a drain port. Always verify compatibility for your specific model. This door boot gasket is a direct replacement for several other part numbers, including 4986ER0004J, 4986ER0004K, and 4986ER0004N. It offers a reliable solution for your appliance. What we like. This door boot gasket is an original equipment manufacturer part that forms a critical seal between your wash tub and the door, preventing leaks. It features a convenient drain port for enhanced functionality. If you have a front-load LG or Kenmore washer and are experiencing leaks or need to replace a worn-out gasket, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The part was a perfect fit for my LG washing machine. It was easy to install and the washing machine is now working like new. The quality of the part seems very good and durable. Number 2. Core Washer Dryer Stacking Kit. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This stacking kit is designed to help you make the most of your limited space by securely stacking your washer and dryer. Our adjustable design fits a wide range of washer and dryer sizes, from 24 to 29 inches. It's a versatile solution for many laundry setups. Crafted with high-quality plastic and steel, this stacking kit is built for durability and stability. You can trust it to hold your appliances securely for years to come. This stacking kit is designed to be compatible with most major brands, including Samsung, LG, GE, Whirlpool, and many more. It's a universal fit for your needs. Setting it up is a breeze. No tools are required. Simply place it between your machines, adjust as needed, and secure with the included straps for a stable installation. Reclaim your laundry room. This solution offers an efficient way to organize your appliances, making your laundry routine simpler and your space more functional. What we like? This universal washer and dryer stacking kit is a fantastic space-saving solution for smaller laundry rooms. Its adjustable design fits a wide range of washer and dryer sizes, and it's compatible with most major brands, including LG. If you're looking to maximize your laundry space without compromising stability, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This stacking kit is very sturdy and made it easy to safely secure my washer and dryer. The adjustable design is great because it works with multiple sizes, and I had no problems setting it up for my 29-inch units. Everything fits snugly, and the ratchet strap provides extra stability so I don't have to worry about movement or shifting while the machines are running. One feature I really like is the pull-out drying rack. It's a smart addition and comes in handy for laying out smaller items that I don't want to put in the dryer. The rack slides in and out smoothly and tucks away neatly when not in use, so it doesn't take up any extra space. This kit works exactly as advertised. It's adjustable to fit many different washer and dryer brands and sizes, making it very versatile. It also freed up some much-needed space in my laundry room, so I'm very happy with the results. Number 1. AMI Parts Washer Drain Pump Assembly for LG Kenmore. Experience exceptional efficiency with our upgraded drain pump motor. It's engineered for quick and reliable water removal, ensuring your washing machine runs smoothly. This drain pump is designed as a direct replacement for many LG and Kenmore washer models. It seamlessly fits and replaces multiple part numbers, making the upgrade easy. Is your washer not draining or making strange noises? This is the ultimate solution. Restore your appliance's functionality with a simple replacement. Crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested, this drain pump motor is built for long-lasting performance. We back it with a satisfaction guarantee. Installing this drain pump is a breeze. With basic tools, you can easily remove the old one and connect the new one, getting your washer back in action in no time. Before ordering, please check your washer's model number carefully. You can also send us your model number, and we'll help confirm if it's the right fit for your appliance. What we like? This upgraded drain pump motor offers exceptional efficiency with a high flow rate, ensuring quick and reliable water removal. It's designed to solve common washer issues like not draining or noisy cycles. If you're comfortable with a simple DIY installation and want to restore your LG or Kenmore washer's draining function with a durable, high-performance part, this is the solution for you. What people say. The part was a perfect fit for my LG washer, and it arrived quickly. Easy to install and works just like the original part. Great value for the price, and it fixed my washing machine issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.